Hey folks, MACT. Holy cow, I can't control my sunglasses. Anyway, MACT here, and we have another TSB technical service bulletin dated about 26 March of 2019. It's TSB 192095. I gotta have my glasses on, I can't read that. Anyway, it's a 2.0 Ecoboost illumination MIL with a DTC of P2282, built on or before 15 March 2019, and it will cover the 2019 Ford Edge and the 2019 Nautilus. That's what this is for. And basically some of the issues that they're having with it is the Edge Nautilus of this model year, equipped with a 2.0 Ecoboost, that was built on or before 15 March 2019, may exhibit an illuminated malfunction indicator lamp with diagnostic trouble code P2282 stored in the powertrain control module. This concern may be due to an intermittently stuck open brake vacuum tube assembly causing an uncommanded high airflow intake manifold leak. To resolve the condition, replace the brake vacuum tube assembly. And basically, hey, I got my 2019 was built before that. Huh, I guess it covers mine. Anyway, the part number to replace is a K2GZ-2420D brake vacuum tube assembly. Quantity 1. You got to go ahead and replace that. And basically it'll be under warranty because the 2019 is going to be under warranty, so it's no big problem on that. So if you get an issue with that coming at you, you want to make sure that you do get this checked out. As far as the service procedure and everything else, basically they replace the vacuum tube assembly. You disconnect the electrical connector, remove the retainer, remove the 2 hose retainers, disconnect the 3 hose connectors, remove and discard the brake vacuum tube assembly, and reverse the procedure. That's pretty simple. You got a little bit of it right here. You can see that. Don't know if you see that. That's the part right there. And of course you can look it up on the TSB because it's all printed out there in bright colored blue what the assembly looks like. So if you have those problems, by all means go over to your Ford dealership and tell them, hey, I got a problem with this DTC and this code number, and hey, they'll fix the assembly for you, replace it with a new one, because apparently it has a flaw in it. So what the heck, get it done, and that way you don't have to worry about any other issues. This is all in part of my continuing series on TSBs and CSBs and everything else, you know, for the Ford Edge, Lincoln MKX, Nautilus, and everything else. So I hope you find these somewhat useful to you. If nothing else, it's a good reference video. I'm not going to make this a real long video, so in that case we're going to call it quits on it. And remember, like, subscribe, join MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook, and also subscribe to this channel. That's right, go right down there and hit that button and ring the bell. That's right, the bell will let you know when I got a new video out. And also don't forget to go over MACTgarage.com, folks. You'll find tons of information over there, along with other TSBs, oils, and everything else. All you need. It's a one-stop shop, and it's the only Ford Edge targeted web page. You're not going to find one like it. That's right. It is targeted towards the Ford Edge, and that's all it is. So you'll find a lot of great information over there. Social media tab has t-shirts for sale, has my stickers, and has a donate button if you care to donate. So all that being said, after you subscribed and watched this video, make sure you go over there and check it out. And what else? Band of One's always got some great music. Ian Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners. And my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.